In this video, I'll show you how to set up your Canon Pixma TS3750i to your computer using a USB cable. This cable doesn't come with the printer, so you'll need to buy one. However, it only costs around $10. To plug it into your printer, turn the printer around and you'll find the port in the back right of the printer. Make sure this side of the cable is pressed in firmly so that it connects and doesn't come out. And then the other side we will put into the USB slot in our computer. For my laptop, it's on the left side, just here. After that, you might get a pop-up on your computer. For the Canon Pixma to have access, you're simply going to press allow. And then you want to come to the Windows Start button and search for printers and scanners. So it should be the top result just here. Click on that. And then in the top right, you're going to select Add Device. A drop-down of all available printers should then appear. Find the 3700 series and then press Add Device. And that's going to install the printer. Give it a minute to install, and then you're going to get a ready message when it is available to print. If you want to print something from the internet, and then find the thing you'd like to print, and in the top right, press these three dots. Come down to the print button just here, and that's going to open up the print settings. So make sure your Canon Pixma 3700 series is selected through the drop down menu. And then you can also change some settings in here, like the copies, the layout, and what color. So we're just going to choose black and white. And I'll also change this to print on one side. Once you've done that, press print. If you want to print a document that's already on your computer, it's very similar. So just open up your documents at the bottom and then select the thing that you want to print. And there should be a printer button in the top left, or you can press Control P, and that's going to open up the printer settings. So once again, we're just making sure we have our printer selected. And all these settings look okay. So we'll just go ahead and press print. If you want to scan some documents that you already have, here's how to do it. Just open up the printers and scanners. And then you'll see, if you open up the 3700 series printer, that we have the scanning settings. And we need to download the scanner app. So just click this top option, and that's going to bring you to the Microsoft Store. And this is the official Windows Scan app. It's made by Microsoft, so you don't need to worry about downloading it. Once it installs, go ahead and open it up. And here we have the scanning settings. So before we do anything, we're going to get the document that we want to scan and open up the scanning lid at the front of the printer and place it face down and push it into the top left. Put the lid down, then come back to your computer. Once again, make sure the printer is selected, and you can also change the file type if you want, along with where the scan is going to be saved to. So we'll just change it to be saved in our pictures folder, and that's where we'll find it once we complete the scan. Then come down to the bottom and click this scan button, and you'll see that we get a message saying that the document is being scanned. So as we can hear in the background, the printer is just scanning it, and we should see a result of the scan. Come to the top, press open, and here is how the scan turned out. So let me zoom it in. And that's how to scan a document using the printer.